I'm Jazmyne Boyd,
I'm Kaitlin Thomas.
And I'm Miranda Schonthaler.
and our project is on plastic in our water systems.
I will be talking about the history of microbeads and plastics.
I will be talking about the effects of microbeads and microfibers in our water systems and the viewpoints of microbeads and microfibers.
And I'll be discussing alternatives for microbeads.
Microbeads are used in hundreds of personal care products. A single product can contain thousands of microbeads. After these products are used, they go down sink or shower drains into our sewage systems. Sewage treatment facilities are not designed to filter these tiny microbeads, so some microbeads will still be present when leaving the treatment plant and go into the ocean. Large-scale production of plastic began in the 1950s, and plastics have become widespread and bewildering varieties of applications. One application being microplastics and microbeads. Another application being items such as clothes. Microbeads were patented in the 1970s, but have only been used as a disposable entity in consumer products recently. Currently, there are many hundreds of brand lines worldwide that use plastic for body care cleansing, and each year, more and more products have plastic microbeads as their main exfoliation ingredient. Popular brands such as Aveeno, Clean & Clear, Clinique, and many other well-known brands produce items that contain microbeads. As seen in this graph, microbeads can also range in size. Clean & Clear produces microbeads as big as 1 millimeter, while Crest produces microbeads as small as 0.004 millimeters.
The plastic found in our water systems and our oceans are split into two categories based on size. A macroplastic fiber is greater than 5 millimeters, and a piece of microplastic is less than 5 millimeters. When macroplastic travels through our water systems, they can usually be filtered out due to their larger size. Microplastic pieces are so small, they are making it through our filters and into our oceans. The main form of microplastic pieces are microbeads. Microbeads, according to beachpedia.org, are small to very small polyethylene or polypropylene spheres that are widely used in cosmetics, skincare, and personal care industries. They are commercially available in particle sizes from 0.004 millimeters all the way up to 1.4 millimeters. In the cosmetics industry, they are usually used as exfoliating agents. Microbeads from cosmetics and other personal care products are washed down the drain after use. The main problem with these products is that they are never disintegrating. They make their way to the bottom of the ocean where they sit permanently. With these drastic increase in microbead use, we are finding microbeads in our oceans in mass quantities. Another problem with microbeads is that they are roughly the size of fish eggs. Fish are eating these microbeads accidentally, and it is killing them. Now, not only are we affecting our oceans and our aquatic animals, we are affecting food that we eat. We eat these fish that ingest these plastic pieces, and it all comes full circle. Although microbeads are a problem in our ocean and in our water systems, it is not the only plastic creating these problems. We are also finding plastic fibers from our clothing in our water systems and in our oceans. When you look at your clothes, you think of materials such as cotton and polyester. These materials are derived from small plastic pieces called microfibers. And although they are small, they are causing big problems. Michael Brown did a study on ocean microplastics, and his results were shocking. He found that most of the material polluting the ocean is microfiber, which are microscopic flecks of plastic that come off clothing in the washing machine and get dumped into the oceans. These plastic materials are piling up in our oceans faster than we can clean them out, if we can even see them. The problem with microbeads and microfibers is that they are so small we cannot possibly get all of them. We realize there is a problem, but there are so many different ways of approaching a solution. Some people feel microbeads in their everyday products are essential. Instead of banning microbeads, one side argues that water systems should implement new filters in order to accommodate for the smaller plastic particles. The other side argues that replacing filters in every water system is too expensive, and the best way to reduce microbeads in our oceans is to eliminate them altogether. After contemplating all options, Obama passed a law that would ban microbeads in the year 2018. It is too late for the plastic that is already in the ocean, so this is the best way to prevent any more microbeads or microfibers from making its way into our large bodies of water. The law will not take into effect for another 2 years, so here are some solutions and alternatives to use in the meantime.
Next, we will discuss what will take place of microbeads once they are banned from cosmetics. Biodegradable microbeads are one of the replacements scientists have been researching to help keep our environment clean. Polyhydroxide alkanates, or PHA, is one option scientists are considering. PHA is a biodegradable plastic with more than 150 monomers. It is created by living organisms, but it can also be produced in a laboratory. Unlike traditional polyethylene plastics, PHA can biodegrade in both aerobic and anaerobic environments. PHA is also an energy source for microorganisms, so they can biodegrade in microbial environments. Overall, PHA's shape, hardness, higher density, and biodegradation make this plastic a suitable replacement. Another useful replacement are natural exfoliants. Natural exfoliants are perhaps the best replacement for microbeads because they are safe for both the environment and your skin. Some natural exfoliants include sugar, baking soda, almond or walnut shells, and coffee beans. In conclusion, microbeads are very dangerous to our environment. They pollute our waters and beaches, killing many different animals. Microbeads are not just harmful to our planet, but to humans as well. Whatever our fish eat, we eat. We are not just hurting the environment, but we are hurting ourselves. Banning microbeads is one step closer to a safer environment.
Take a look at your daily routine. How often do you use microbeads? Take the initiative to reduce your ecological footprint in order to protect our precious planet.